Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create velocity edit on CAPCUT mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CAPCUT application, and first of all, I'm going to add music to my video. I'm going to click on audio and then I'm going to select sounds, and I'm going to choose music from the CAPCUT. I'm going to select the beat category right here, and I'm going to choose speed way up music. Wait, okay, this one. I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and now the music has been added to this project guys, and I'm going to add the velocity effect. We can tap on our video and go to the effect, select style, and you have to choose the velocity category. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, go to the velocity and you can choose the flash velocity. Okay, just wait for a moment until the process completed. It depends on the duration of your video and the duration of your music. Okay. Okay, and now the velocity effect has been applied to my video, and I'm going to show you the final result. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can create velocity edit in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.